Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro and let me share with you how to suggest emojis on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter language as an input and tap on the keyboards. So here we have to pick on-screen keyboard and pick the keyboard which you've got currently set, and in my case it will be Gboard. As you can see here we've got the keyboard settings, and of course depending on what kind of keyboard you've got set, the positions of particular options can be different, but for sure you will find proper one. In my case, if you've got the Gboard also in your case, just tap on emojis, stickers and GIFs. And as you can see, in the suggestions section, on the second position, we've got the suggestions whilst typing, and we've got the emojis. In my case, this option is, defaultly turned on, but if for some reason in your device is turned off, just like that, just tap on the switcher and make it look like it. It means that the emojis are active, so your device will be allowed to suggest some whilst typing. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable emoji suggestions in your Motorola Edge 30 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.